This is his king palace, king bedrooms. Before, two-story built. Top story is built is wood. There is everything naturally gone. 1938 after everything reconstruction. Only foundation level. There is Kashapa period. Ancient 6,000 years old. Lived here King Ravana. King Ravana is calling Sky Palace. Other mountain is big platform. There are other behind mountain. There is Ravana Pushpaka Yanam landing that mountain. Calling Timuranga. This is King Living time that flow around walk soldiers.